Does maintaining your large home feel like it's taking more time and energy than it should? Imagine having reduced expenses, less stress, less maintenance, work, and even a more positive impact on the environment while enjoying all of that. Downsizing your living space can open up a world of incredible benefits. Hey, I'm Julie Sabby, and in this video, we're going to explore the top 7 reasons why embracing a smaller home might be the next step for you. First, financial perks. A smaller home can significantly reduce your monthly expenses. Think lower mortgage payments, utility bills, and property taxes. By cutting out these costs, you can free up money for retirement, travel, education, or any other priorities you have. If you're selling your current home, you'll likely see a nice financial boost that you can either invest or enjoy, all without stretching your budget. Second, stress reduction. With fewer rooms to clean and maintain, a smaller home means less work and more time to focus on what matters most. Decluttering and downsizing not only frees up space in your home, but also in your mind, creating a calming and peaceful environment. Imagine coming home to a place that feels organized, peaceful, and easy to manage. Stress-free living at its best. Third, greater freedom. Less space, fewer bills, and lower maintenance requirements equal more freedom. Downsizing gives you the flexibility to pursue your passions, whether it's traveling, taking up a new hobby, or spending quality time with your loved ones. It's all about having more time and energy for the things that truly matter. 4, eco-friendly living. A smaller home is often energy efficient, which means lower utility bills and a smaller carbon footprint. Want to go a step further? Consider energy-saving appliances, solar panels, or sustainable materials in your home design. You'll not only save money, but you'll also contribute to a healthier planet for future generations. 5, building community connections. Many downsizers move into communities with shared amenities like fitness centers, pools, or social events. These communities foster connections that make it easier to form new friendships. You'll not only enjoy a more manageable home, but also the opportunity to become a part of a supportive neighborhood. 6, closer family ties. Downsizing can also mean living closer to family or even moving into a multi-generational home. This can be a great way to strengthen relationships and share resources, whether it's helping with childcare, elder care, or simply enjoying more time together. Downsizing can bring your family closer in a meaningful way. And finally, 7, focusing on experiences. When you downsize, you're encouraged to focus on experiences and relationships over material possessions. With less clutter to manage, you'll have more time and energy to create lasting memories, deepen relationships, and enjoy the things that bring you happiness and fulfillment. If you're ready to start simplifying your living space and find the right-sized home for your new chapter, I'm here to help. Subscribe to my channel for more tips on making this an exciting transition. As a licensed realtor in Minnesota with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, I specialize in helping seniors who want to downsize and transition to homes that are easier to maintain. No stairs, less upkeep, and more freedom. I guide my clients through every step of the process, from decluttering to finding the perfect new home. My approach is personalized, and I will help you manage both the emotional and practical aspects of letting go of your family home while keeping those cherished memories intact. Let's make this transition smooth and enjoyable. Give me a call at 763-257-7231 or email julie@vikingshomes.com, and we'll take that first step together.